Google just dropped a game changer risk update, and now Nano Banana and the real tree working together seamlessly. And Whisk's built-in frame selection solves the Nano Banana's aspect ratio issue with ease. In this video, under 5 minutes, I will show you how to use Whisk for free. Google's Whisk is available through your Google account using this link that you could find in the description below. Just click on enter icon here. You could use this chat box to generate images using Google Whisk. And if I click on add images, you could add subject, scene, or style for this generation. And if you need inspiration, you could use this dice button for scene, subject, and style. Also, all these generated images could be edited using edit button here. For example, I want to prompt add hat and sunglasses and submit this. And we get this amazing result. Also, you could enter text prompt to generate subject. And to do so, you could use one-click tutorials exclusive prompt generator that now supports the Nano Banana. I want to use cinematic style with the default camera lens and shot type. I will paste one of my AI influencer prompts here and click on generate. Now I could copy this cinematic prompt and paste it here and generate this. Now I could use this image, or for this example, I want to upload one of my AI influencer images. Also, I want to upload this closing collage, which I generated before. And for the scene, I want to use this luxury coffee shop scene. And unlike the Gemini or Google Studio, I could use portrait, 1:1, or landscape aspect ratio. For this example, I want to prompt she's sitting at the coffee shop and submit this. And as it clear, Whisk did an amazing job in character consistency with the same closing at the same location. And the 16:9 aspect ratio was applied as I had chosen before. And then I tried to test some of the Nano Banana's editing capabilities. I start with the prompt, she's reading a magazine. And then I have tried to change her raincoat color to the pink. Also, I changed the background to the pizza tower. And finally, I replaced all the object on the table with the pizza while she was holding a slice in her hands. And each time I get consistent character with the precise results. And of course, without watermark. Also, you could animate these generated images using VO3. Just click on animate button. I want to prompt she's taking a bite and looking at the camera and says, and submit this.
Wow, this is so good. I wish you were here so I could share this tasty memory with you.
And if you click on the setting icon here, you could use seed number and precise reference to have a more control in generating consistent characters. To try this feature, I want to remove this background and I want to prompt she's taking selfie near the Eiffel Tower. For first example, I want to turn off the precise reference, and for the second one, I will try it with the precise reference on, so we could compare the results. This is the precise mode on, and this is precise mode off. And if we put these two images side by side with precise mode on, we get accurate closing, and with precise mode off, we get this weird collage overlay. So I recommend to turn precise mode on, but there is a 3-image limitation for precise mode that will guide us to this video's pro tip. To do so, I want to upload these cute animal cups images, and I want to gather them in one place using this prompt. And let's choose 16:9 aspect ratio and submit this. And as it clear, Nano Banana did an amazing job in extracting these animal cubs images in one place in consistent way. Then I want to use this as a reference image. I want to add this Nano Banana Park image as well. And I want to prompt they are playing with this slider in this park and submit this. And I end with this amazing result. And finally, I want to animate this as well using VO3. And please don't miss my up next, the Nano Bananas AI influencer video. I tried to make this video short and easy, and I hope you like it. And please let me know about your experiences in the comments. And thanks for supporting channel with your comments, likes, and of course subscribing channel. Please share this video link with your friends to join us on one-click tutorials AI adventures.